Hey guys, what's going on? It's Shane. So today I'm going to be showing you my buddy Mike's Galant VR4. These things are really cool. I've always liked these cars, and his is a very clean example of one. So it's basically the Evo before the Evo was a thing. It is a 4G63 turbo, all-wheel drive, four-wheel steering sedan. It's basically a DSM or a Eagle Talon Eclipse GSX sedan, but very limited production, very clean. So I also wanted to say he's got 3 other vehicles which are going to be recording in the near future. He's got a Skyline R34, he's got a Skyline R32 GTR, and he's got a right-hand drive Toyota Supra. He also has, I wanted to mention, he also has a connection selling these cars. So if you're looking for a Japanese spec vehicle, such as a R34, an S15, right-hand drive Supra, whatever it may be, I'm going to link him in the description in this video. Tell him I sent you, and he can probably find what you're looking for. But we're just going to get this thing started and show you this car. What's going on, everybody? So today we are in a 1991 Galant VR4. It belongs to Mike. Tell me about this car. This thing's cool, man. You don't see these a whole lot.
Yeah, it's a pretty special and particular kind of car that you really don't see around anymore, especially running ones. Yeah. I bought this car when I was in the Marine Corps. I was stationed in Camp Pendleton, California, and I purchased this car in Buena Park, California. So it was always a California car, no rust, no accidents. And this one is number 550 of 2000, and her name is Samara. That's what I named this car. So this car has kind of gotten reputation of being known for that name.
So tell me about the engine and the specs, the setup. Is it I'm assuming it's still a 6-bolt engine?
Yeah, it's a 6-bolt. It has the 1G DSM 5-lug swap. Okay. It's a built motor built by Mike Collins and Rob Patterson back when they were Fist Racing.
Shout out to them.
Yep, shout out to y'all. Yeah, it still runs after all these years. That thing was built, like back before I even went to the Marine Corps. I mean, I went to the Marine Corps in like 2008, and that engine was built probably like 4 or 5 years before that. It was always in their like showroom display.
Right.
And it's still rocking and rolling. This car has never been on a flatbed or anything, never been towed.
Wow.
So it's been pretty reliable to me. I know it's kind of like, you don't really hear that for, DSM / Galant VR4s, but this car has definitely been the most reliable car I've ever owned. So
what kind of turbo are you running?
It's a Force Performance HTA 3586R ball bearing.
Sweet.
And it has FIC 1050cc injectors. It's on an old school setup, a DSM Link V3 full speed density.
Right. Wow.
And it's the engine. It's an old school Clevite 7.7 bearings with Ross Racing pistons and powder rods, and FP2 cams, 272s, HKS cam gears, Feria Racing like valve train, double springs and titanium retainers and all that shit.
Right.
It's got BC coilovers. Spearco 2-216 huge front mount, a custom one-off catch can built by D3 Performance Engineering back when they used to be that, but now they're known as Pro Speed Autosports.
Right.
And that was done by Brad Harmer. He did the downpipe and the custom one-off catch can setup.
Hell yeah. Do you have any idea how much power this thing might make?
It got tuned a long time ago.
Right.
It got tuned like in 2012. On pump gas, it made 424 to the wheels.
Wow.
At like 20 pounds of boost.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's kind of not shit now these days, but...
Yeah, but yeah, this is old school, man, but yeah, that's cool. All right, man. Well, we're going to take this thing out for a drive, and we're going to have some fun.
Alrighty.
Let's do it. And probably like 95% of the people have no idea what this thing is.
No, hell no. Yeah, most of the time they're like, what is it? Or, you know, I've never seen one in person, or you just don't see these around anymore. That's always the...
Yeah. Well, oh my God. My buddy thought that my DSM was a probe. He's like, is that a Ford probe? All right, well, Mike, appreciate you bringing this thing out. This thing was fun as hell, man. I love this car.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, man.